Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. Today we are diving into the Rapid Application Development Model. It's also known as a RAD model, a software development approach known for its speed and efficiency. We will explore the phases of the RAD model with multiple real-world examples and provide clear explanations to uh, help you learn this approach. So let's start with the session. So what is RAD model? Before Before we get into the phases, let's understand what is the RAD model. The RAD model is a software development process that prioritizes rapid prototyping and speed development over extensive planning. It's like building a house in a record time by assembling prefabricated sections. So now discussing about the phases. The first one is requirement planning phase. The first phase is requirements planning. In this phase, we gather user requirements. Think of it as understanding what your customer wants before designing a product. Let's say, for example, when developing an e-commerce website, you would interview the client, understand their needs, and gather information about products, payment methods, and user preferences. The next one is user design phase. So in the user design phase, we create prototypes and mockups based on the user requirements. It's like sketching out of the blueprint of your house before building it. So let's say for example, when designing a mobile app, you would create wireframes and prototypes of the app's interface. This helps visualize the user experience before actual development. The next one is construction phase. The third phase is construction. This is where we build the software using the prototypes created in the previous phase. It's like assembling the sections of pre-fabricated house on site. Let's say, for example, suppose you are developing a customer relationship management CRM software. In the construction phase, the development team write the actual code based on the design prototypes. The fourth one is cutover phase. The final phase is the cutover phase. This is when we transition from the old system to the new one. It's like moving into your new house and sitting in. For example, for a company switching to new accounting software, the cutover phase involves the migrating the data, training employees, and ensuring a smooth transition from the old system to the new one. What are the advantages and disadvantages is? Now let's discuss some key advantages of the RAD model. The first one is speed. The RAD model is known for its speed. It allows for quicker development and delivery of software products, similar to getting a fast food meal on the go. Let's say, for example, in mobile app industry, rapid development means taking a prototype to market faster, capitalizing on emerging trends and user demands. The second advantage is user involvement. User involvement is a significant advantage. With prototypes in hand, users can provide feedback early in the process, like trying on a dress before buying it. Another example is in e-commerce, users can test and provide feedback on the website mockup, ensuring that the final product meets their expectations. In conclusion, the RAD model is all about rapid development. It's like a fast forward button in software development world, allowing you to quickly deliver functional products with direct user involvement. If you found this video informative, please like and subscribe and share it with your friends. Thanks for joining us today, and we will see you in the next video.